Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a tutorial on how to add a watermark stroke logo to your photos, especially on Instagram. Okay guys, so guys, if you want to know or if you want to see how I add watermarks or logo to my pictures on Instagram, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. So guys, a watermark or a logo is used to tag to the picture so that whenever someone sees the picture, the person can be able to dictate that this picture belongs to so person, and more especially on Instagram. Okay guys, and for example, my Instagram name is GoldQueen Queency, and then as you can see my logo there. So guys, the app I use to name my pictures, or the app that I use to add logo to my pictures, to my photos, is called Photon. Okay, look at it. So guys, you just need to go to Google Play Store or Apple Store, then download it. Okay, it's free of charge. So guys, when you download it, then you open it. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to click on this picture button here so that you can add a new picture. It says load picture from device. Okay, add picture. For example, let me say I want to make use of this picture here. Okay, so guys, I click on the picture and then it automatically loads it here. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to click on this pen button. Okay, click on it and then it says add text. So guys, you just need to add your Instagram username or any name you want to be identified with. Okay, I'm going to add my Instagram username, GoldQueen Queency. GoldQueen Queency. When you finish writing your name, so guys, you can align the picture to be left or center or right. You can as well choose your font from a number of fonts. Okay, so guys, you don't need to choose the font that you like, but I prefer to make use of Arial. Okay, when you're through with choosing the type of font you want to use, you click done. So guys, when you click done, the next thing you're going to do, you can drag it up so that you can see, and then to reduce the size, click on size. Okay, reduce it, or you can increase it. Okay, so guys, for me, I usually keep the size to be like 18. So guys, if you want to edit the text more, or maybe you made a mistake while writing, you can click on text so that you can edit it more. Okay, so guys, as you all know, you can click on font to change to a new font, and then you can click on style to kind of add some colors, okay, to your picture, to add a little bit of color. Okay, as you can see, you can change. Okay, and then using this move button here, move this thing here, you can use it to move, you can use it to scroll the logo up and down. You can use it to move the logo to be up or down. Okay, just like this. As you can see, it's going up, and then you can use the down button to move the logo to come down sideways, and the same thing goes the other way around. Click on the picture and it disappears, and if you want to highlight the logo again, just click on the logo. Okay guys, another thing we need to talk about is this called tilt. Okay guys, this is used to rotate the logo, okay, on the angles in which you want the logo to be. Okay guys, let's try it out. You can click this tilt, increase it or reduce it. Okay, as you can see, I'm on angle -108. Okay guys, you can see how slant it is. Okay, you can as well use this tilt minus or plus button. Okay, as you can see, when it gets to 180, it's flat. Okay guys, you can as well rotate it more. So guys, when I'm through, when I'm satisfied to where I want my logo to be and how I want it to look, okay guys, I am going to click on here. I will be clicking on here which says save. Okay guys, you just need to click on save and it automatically saves. So guys, if you need your photos, just go to your gallery and you will see an album which says photon. Okay guys, as you can see, just click on the photo, click on the picture. As you can see, the logo is there. So guys, that is it for today. I hope you like this video. Please guys, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, like my videos, comment, share, and also subscribe to my channel.